Welcome to Sweet Spell English channel. Today we are going to improve our English by the help of tongue twisters. First tongue twister. She sees cheese on the shiny shelf and says she surely should share some. Come on guys, give it a try to this twister. Second tongue twister. The red lorry raced the yellow lorry along the long, loud lane loaded with lemons. Come on guys, give it a try to this twister. Third tongue twister. Green glass globes glow greenly in the gleaming garden, giving gentle glimmers in the golden glow of sunset. Come on guys, give it a try to this twister. Fourth tongue twister. Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Come on guys, give it a try to this twister. Fifth tongue twister. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought a better butter, to make the bitter butter better. Come on guys, give it a try to this twister. So the today video was about 5 easy tongue twisters. Next video will be on medium level tongue twisters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to tell us about how was the video in comments.